Hey everybody, today we are making Virgin Islands Creole Sauce. I made a proper Virgin Islands breakfast for my mother the other day, which had scrambled eggs with cheese, fried snapper with Creole sauce, conch, and seasoned rice. We're just going to concentrate on the Creole sauce that goes over the fried snapper today, or you can actually submerge your fish into it. It's completely up to you. We have onions, red bell peppers. We have some fresh garlic cloves in there. You can pick and choose how much onion and bell pepper you want to put in here. You can put a different color bell pepper in here. It's completely up to you. We are also going to putting a little secret ingredient that I pulled from the Nigerian heritage of this dish. So we are also going to add in some goya adobo. Once again, this is all to taste. Some dried thyme. You also have a pinch of lemon pepper. I like to use McCormick. We're going to put in about 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. The pot is on medium high right now. We're going to add in some tomato paste. I use about half of that too. And that's what that looks like. And we're going to continue to saute that and kind of incorporate everything. We're going to add in about just enough water just to cover the vegetables. And then we're going to add in a little bit of abayata sauce, which is a Nigerian pepper sauce made with tomatoes and scotch bonnets and all of that. And it's going to really fortify this particular dish. You can also look up a recipe on that. Then we're also going to add in some of my seasoning, which is Chef Holly's essential seasoning that you can pick up on my website, phenomenalfood.chefholly.com. It's great on fish. That's what I actually seasoned the fish for, that I actually put this sauce with. All right, so we're just going to stir that up, allow it to reduce on medium. When it starts really getting a little boil to it, you're going to put it on low. When it's done, you're going to drop in about 4 tablespoons of butter and just let that melt right in. Add a little bit of crushed red pepper for heat at the end, and that is it. That is a simple tomato sauce that we call Creole sauce in the Virgin Islands. The origins of it, I believe, are in Nigeria. And then we're going to just put that on top of our fish or submerge our fish. Thanks for watching.